My Nest thermo showed an e29 error and is now out of battery. I have the common wire connected to the thermo and furnace controller, but there is no voltage coming from C. Is there a fuse for C? I replaced the 3A fuse for R.
Hello, C is the neutral leg of the 24V power originating at the transformer. Measure voltage between R and C. If you get a 24-volt read, then your 24V power is okay. If you can send me well-focused, well-lit photo of the wiring diagram glued to the inside blower door, taken from straight on and up close, and a picture of the printed circuit card where the thermostat wires attach, I can coach you troubleshooting the situation. Use the paperclip icon at the top of your reply box to attach the pictures.
I definitely see 27V between R and C, however the Nest indicates it does not see the C connection and is not charging. I've tested from the wall where the thermo attaches.
Thanks. If you have 24V plus between R and C at the Nest, there is sufficient power. If it's not charging, 1. The Nest is either defective. 2. Or you do not have a rechargeable battery in it. 3. Or the battery is bad. 4. Or it is in backwards. Look into all that and let me know what you find. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.